Hi, welcome to Built by 13409. My name is Bill. On this channel, we'll be doing videos of dirt bike maintenance, repair, custom parts, custom machining, and probably some racing videos. We own a CNC machine shop called 13409 Machine, and we're going to take you behind the scenes and show how custom usually built aluminum parts are made for motocross bikes and whatnot, and probably some tooling, some custom tools to help rebuild motors and etc. We also run a small family-based racing team, you guessed it, called 13409 Racing. Our son and daughter race motocross, and we'll follow along through the 25 season as well. So I hope you follow along, subscribe, and see where this journey takes us. It's our first time making videos and YouTube videos, so we will improve as we go, and I hope you come along for the ride. Thanks.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact.